Step into the 2020 Ford F-150. This four-door, five-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 5-liter 8-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and a split-folding rear seat. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.